Going to understand how to install Terraform on your Linux machine. So this is a quick demo if in case you are stuck or you're new or you just want to know quickly. So I have opened to my Linux server on Amazon, is AWS. Now Now you have to open your HashiCorp website, and if you can see, I have opened here. Now we have to go to this. First, we have to get update as we do before doing anything. So sudo apt get update. We are going to get the package updated. In the meantime, we'll understand what we have to do. We have to install this. Now this is some dependency we need to install. So I'm just copying and pasting it here. Since we already have updated the page, we are just going to do that. All right, let me see what is the status. It's done. Okay. All right, as you can see, all right, this is done. Or now we will be installing HashiCorp GPG key. Now GPG key is for verification that have we installed the correct Terraform, just a cross check. And this GPG key is provided by HashiCorp. So we are going to copy this. All right, and here we go. Okay, it's done. Now we have to verify the GPG key's fingerprint. Now it's showing that if the software is correct, it's proper, then this kind of format will come up. UID, the sub information, as you can see, it's already there. Now the reason they have done this is because initially Terraform was open source, and after it got acquired by IBM, they started this GPG key verification to make sure that people who are downloading HashiCorp Terraform is a valid has a valid resource. It's a valid resource, and it's not a copy, and anyone is not trying to commercialize it. So that is a proper security purpose authentication. Now we have to add this repository in our system. So all right, let's copy this again. Most of the things are already there in the documentation of the software. So if you read the document properly, you will get information correctly. Now everything is done. We have to update it to actually activate the changes. So sudo apt update or get update, whatever you want to. Now after that, then we have to install Terraform, and then we can check if the Terraform is installed properly. Okay. Oops, I did something. Yeah. So okay. All right, now we have actually installed the Terraform. Let me close this. Okay, so now let's check Terraform. And here we go. So I hope this video helped you. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you very much.